Hi, I'm Sally from Hong Kong. Moving from another country can be a daunting experience, but the University of Lancashire takes pride in supporting all students. This is Student Center, the heart of campus, and home to the support services. Friendly staff can help with any issue, including visa, immigration advice, cost of living, health and well-being, and disability support. The Careers Service will support you in finding work while studying here in the UK or overseas after graduation. They can help you search for jobs, build your CV, write applications, and prepare for interviews. Make sure you attend their job fair to network with employers or use their online resources. One of the best things here is the academic support. You will be allocated a personal tutor who will meet with you regularly to discuss your progress. Student coaches can help develop your skill in research, essays, referencing, revision, exam, and more. The Preston campus library is open 24/7 during term time. You can access thousands of books, journals, study areas, computers, and Wi-Fi. My safety has always been a major concern for my family. All campuses are a safe place to live with low crime rates. Security staff are available all day and night. You can also report any issue quickly on the Safe Zone app. Students can use the on-campus health facilities such as the medical center, pharmacy, eye clinic, counseling, mental health and well-being services. The Oasis Faith and Spirituality Center welcomes people of all faiths with spaces for prayer, worship, and reflection. There's also a multi-faith chaplaincy team. It really is amazing to be part of an inclusive community that allows me to feel safe, supported, and excel in my studies.